Beminda Steam Therapy Pro is marketed as a heated eye therapy device that supposedly relieves tired eyes and helps you relax. But the real question is, does it actually treat tired eyes, or is it another wellness gadget with exaggerated claims? Now, to be fair, warm eye compresses have been used for years to help soothe eye discomfort. Heat therapy can provide temporary relief for some common eye-related symptoms, especially those linked to dryness or fatigue. What it does well may provide temporary relief for tired eyes. The warmth can feel soothing after long hours of screen time or reading, could help with eye dryness. Warm compresses are sometimes recommended to support healthy oil flow from the eyelid glands, which may improve eye comfort, where the hype falls apart. It does not cure underlying eye conditions. This is the biggest issue. A heated eye device cannot treat serious vision problems, infections, or medical eye disorders. Relief is usually temporary. Most benefits last for a limited period and may require repeated use. Marketing may exaggerate therapeutic effects. Claims about dramatically improving eye health or permanently fixing eye strain often go beyond what heat therapy can realistically do. So, does Beminda Steam Therapy Pro actually treat tired eyes? Short answer: it may help relieve symptoms temporarily, but it is not a treatment for underlying eye problems. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.